Today we're talking about I/O, AI, and choosing your own journey to the cloud. I'm Carter Morgan and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. The 2021 Google I/O Developer Event will be held virtually from May 18th to 20th. Connect with developers from around the world at this year's virtual Google I/O for thoughtful discussions, hands-on learning with Google experts, and a first look at our latest developer products. Don't forget to register and check out the I/O 2021 puzzle. Machine learning plays a crucial role in surveilling and measuring the biodiversity of wildlife in a non-invasive way. On this episode of People and Planet AI, we show you how to create an image classification app for wildlife camera traps with the help of Dataflow and Google Cloud's AI platform Unified. Watch and learn how you can create an application that tracks wildlife biodiversity. Rather than wait for budget alert emails, you can use programmatic budget notifications to send budget updates to your favorite comms channels like Slack. Check out this guide on how to set up a cloud function and transform your budget notifications into code. Once you're working with code, there's no limit to what you can do. Choose your own cloud adventure. You get to make the choices for the engineers at the new startup Eat and Run that specializes in pairing runners with the best food options while they're on the go. Now that the company has gained national attention and user traffic is skyrocketing, they need your help to succeed. Should they scale up their back-end services or speed up the delivery of their assets? The choice? It's up to you. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.